It is, guys. Got that new camera. About to call my dad. He doesn't like being recorded. Oh, upside down. Flipperooski. This place is just sweet. Wear sheets. Getting that gas.
Okay, so today we had a raccoon trap out trying to get some nuisance raccoons, but we didn't get a raccoon. We caught a freaking turtle
With corn?
with corn. Really weird. But
He's hungry.
there he is. So we're gonna let him out. But just really crazy that we had a raccoon trap out and a turtle. I told Jordan he was way too slow to get out. He's, oh crap, the door shut on me. So, there you go, guys. Turtle in a coon trap. So there he is. He's a big old guy.
Did you get on that corn?
But, yep. Got a turtle in our trap.
That's pretty cool. The shell's like weird. It's like big here. And he's running. I never realized how slow turtles really were.